Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Vani Vision. Do you think that can we divide 5 digit, 4 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit by 99 within 5 seconds? Can we do it? Can we? I think so. Your answer may be no. Can we do it? I'll say that we can do it. We can do it like 5 digit, 4 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, any number by using 99 within 5 seconds. To know that math trick, stay tuned to Animation till the end. Watch the video till the end. Then you are going to learn it. Learn it clearly and easily you can do the division by using 99. Shall we start our session? See, so first, before we learn the math trick of 99, how to do a division by 99, first we'll see how we are dividing a number in general way. So I am taking one 5 digit number, that is 12,223 divided by 99, general method. Traditionally how we are going to divide, that method we are going to use here. Yeah, first we are going to do that. Then we are going to learn the trick. Yeah. So first we'll see that. So my so today we are learning about division by 99. So any number, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, any number can be easily be divided by 99. So I'll give you only one example. Watch the example clearly, understand the concept, use different number of examples, practice. Practice makes the maths perfect. I said you before also. Practice makes maths perfect. We need a practice. Clear? Then our number is 12,223 divided by 99. So do this division. We should know the 9 table, right? We should know the 9 table. Sorry, 99 table we should know. Clear? When we should know 9 table and even 99 table also we should know. Right? So 12,223 divided by 99. So 99 ones are 99. So here one digit or two digit, 3 digit we have to consider. 122 we have to take, right? In general division. So 3 digit we have to take. So 99 ones are is 99, which is smaller than 122, but we'll go for 99. Twos are 198, right? Which is bigger than this. So we'll go for 1. So 99s are. Okay. Then from 2 I cannot subtract. Take a borrow. It becomes 1, 3. 9 minus 11, 9, 10, 11, 2. Then bring this 2 down. Okay. So my 99 threes also we have to check, right? 99 threes is how much? 297. How much it is? 297. Now this is bigger than this. Then I should go for 2. So my 99 twos are 198. Then again subtract, it becomes 2. It becomes 1, 12, 4, 3, 2 minus. So 12 minus 3. Sorry, 12 minus 9, it is 3. See, 2, take a borrow, it becomes 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Then it was 2, take a borrow, again it becomes 1. 12, 12 minus 9, 3. So bring this 3 down. Now, 99 fours is how much? How much it will be? 396, which is bigger than this number. Right? So I'll go for 3. 123 here. How much? 297. Subtract 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6. 3 minus 9? No. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, what is my quotient here? 123. What is my remainder here? 46. Right? Too big. Too lengthy. Right? And we have to know even the 99 table also here. Right? So, this can be done easily within 5 seconds. In easy way, we are going to do it. Clear? How we can do it? In easy way, within 5 seconds, we are going to learn this. Shall I say now? Shall I start the trick? Here, before that, we have to understand the concept. We have to write a number like this was in the 9 division by 9. We have taken single digits now. Now here 2 digit division by 2 digits now. 2 nines. So we have to group a numbers in two digits. So what is my number? 12,223, right? Now this, from one side we have to start dividing the numbers, like grouping the numbers. Group of 23, group of 22, group of 1, like this. So 1, 22, 23. This is what? 2 digits means 2 groups. 1 digit means single digits we have taken. Now grouping. So one number is left over, that as it is we should write. Now the same method. 1 should be written like this only. 1 as it is you have to write. Now this 1 should be added with 22. How much it is? 23. Right? Now this number 23 should be added with 23. How much it is? 46. Right? Now what is our number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. It is a division of how many digits? How many nines? 2 nines. So put a slash after 2 digits. Now what is our quotient here? 123. What is our remainder here? 46. Is it correct? See? It is too big. Even I have used 99 table here. What about here? Did I use a table of 9 or a 99? No, right? Easy way, with a small trick, I have done the division by 99 within 5 seconds. If we practice it thoroughly, continuously, more within in like 4 seconds, 3 seconds also we can do. If we are perfect like adding, when we are perfect in adding, in fraction of seconds if we are going to add, then we can do it in easiest way. So see the trick, just nothing, grouping 2 digit numbers. So I am grouping them in 2 twos, right? 1 is left over, so I have written that 1 digit in the 1 form. So then 1, add that 1 with 22, then 1 plus 22, 23, 23 plus 23, 46. Altogether you have written, it is of 2 digit division, so separated the two numbers. So these two numbers is of a remainder and the rest numbers are of quotient. Clear? Understood clearly? So I think so. You are going to like this method and you'll start implementing it. Practice with some other examples too. Clear? And stay tuned to Vani Vision and do subscribe, like and share.